Today on Bezri, we're reviewing Robot Vac and Mop Combo. Check the link in the description for the best price. Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest smart home tech. Today, we're reviewing this robot vacuum and mop combo, featuring a self-empty dock and LiDAR navigation. It promises effortless floor cleaning. Check the link in the description for the best price, and let's see how it performs. This first chart focuses on the core cleaning capabilities and smart automation of this robot vacuum, highlighting its powerful features. Here we examine how effectively this robot vacuum and mop handles cleaning and its intelligent features. It showcases strong suction, advanced navigation, and impressive self-maintenance capabilities designed to simplify your routine. The 6,000 Pascal suction power is very impressive, effortlessly lifting dust, pet hair, and debris from various floor types. Its auto boost for carpets ensures deeper cleaning where needed. This unit uses advanced LiDAR navigation to create accurate floor plans, ensuring efficient cleaning paths. Multi-floor mapping is a significant advantage for larger homes. The self-empty docking station is a standout feature, automatically collecting dust and handling mop washing and drying. This greatly reduces manual maintenance. Controlling this robot is easy with its mobile app, allowing you to schedule cleanings and set no-go zones from anywhere. It also integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. This robot delivers powerful all-in-one cleaning with advanced navigation and convenient hands-free maintenance, streamlining your daily chores. Our second chart examines the robot's design, specification completeness, and what to consider for its value and long-term ownership. This chart explores the physical parts of the robot vacuum, its overall completeness in terms of specifications and expectations for value and long-term ownership. It balances the feature set against the price point. The design comes in a sleek black finish, and its dimensions are stated for home placement. While aesthetics appear functional, specific material quality details are not fully clear. Critical details like battery capacity, expected runtime, and water tank sizes are not provided. These omissions make a full performance assessment challenging to confidently provide. At nearly $1,000, it offers a comprehensive feature set for hands-free cleaning. However, the generic branding might raise questions about long-term support and overall value. Relying on a mobile app means potential software dependencies and specific consumables, impacting long-term costs. Generic branding also raises questions about future updates and support clarity. A feature-rich cleaner, though specific details on durability, long-term support, and full specifications are not fully clear. Ultimately, this robot vacuum and mop combo offers advanced automated convenience with its self-empty and auto mop washing dock. The 6,000 Pascal suction and LiDAR navigation are strong highlights for effective cleaning. While it provides robust smart features, the lack of crucial battery life details is a notable gap. It's a compelling, powerful, yet somewhat incomplete package for hands-free daily cleaning.